This handwritten effect is pretty cool. It's lit, it's gas, however you want to put it. And this is how you can make your video stand out with it. Get your iPad, a tablet, or even your phone. I'm gonna use my iPad Pro here. And here's the first step. We're gonna record our screen, so swipe down, tap here, and start recording. Now, I don't want to assume anything, so if you don't have that screen recording option there, go to your settings and control center. Make sure that this is added to your control center and you should be good. Okay, so we are screen recording now. Next step, let's open a note-taking app. By the way, you can use any app, but once you understand how the concept works, you can really be creative with this. Change the background or the canvas that you are working on to black, and then do your thing. Start writing down the text you want, draw, scribble, do your thing, doodle, whatever it is. This is how you stand out because everyone has a different style of writing. So this title is going to be unique no matter what. Once you're done, stop recording and move that file to Final Cut Pro on your desktop. By the way, in the new Final Cut Pro for iPad, it looks like you'll be able to do all of this without ever leaving the app and just using Apple Pencil. But what we're doing here today is of course free, but you have to bring it back to the desktop version. Put that video as a connected clip on top. And here is the magic. Just change the blend mode to screen, and that will isolate all pixels that are brighter than pure black. And there you go. It's pretty cool. I told you it's pretty cool. You have your own handwritten title effect. Use the crop tool in the video inspector to get rid of the things that you don't need or you don't like. Change the speed of the video if needed. Change the timing of the video if needed. Do whatever you want. This is your effect. If you want to create more separation between the title and your clip, add a black solid between the title and the clip. I like to go to generator for this, custom solid. The color is black by default, and then just reduce the opacity once you added it between the title and your clip, and the title will stand out even more. An even better way to do this is to make this solid a little bit longer than the title. Stretch it out a little bit on both ends like this, and then add a fade transition effect. Play around with the duration of the fade, but make the transition as smooth as possible. It's actually called cross dissolve. The transition is called cross dissolve. So use this. You can also try these other transitions, but this one right here will do it. And again, play around with the duration, make the transition as smooth as possible. And check this out. You see the clip is getting darker gradually, and it's a smoother, much smoother transition, less distraction. And that's how you make it look more professional. The smoother transition, very subtle. Your creativity is really the limit for this one. You can do whatever you want, write, doodle, yes, explain some stuff, and really just, let your mind keep on creating stuff, different kinds of things, whatever you want to create. And if you're still watching this part, I'm going to add a link to a free downloadable handwritten effect from Leno in the description. And shout out to Leno from Leno Effects who created this preset right here. It's really cool. And that's it. If you got any value from this one, I use the same hack that we just used to add captions faster and for free on Final Cut Pro. And hey, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully. Peace.